Alright, this is the factory tour. It's a bit messy because it's my first save, but yeah. So we for things here, we have steel pipes being made somewhere else. This is where all of our coal comes in. If we scan for coal, you can see just how far the coal is, which is why these conveyor belts are so messy. Wait for it. 1,000, I'm rounding up, 1,700, so, yeah. Luckily, I planned out putting my hub right next to water, because I saw a video where you need water, because you need water for the coal to cool down that the heat makes. Here we have our assembler, taking in iron rods and screws, turning them into rotors. This is our storage for rotors. It's full, so there's not really much coming through. See, it kind of just stops. So those will stack up. And these are biomass burners for extra measure. They're kind of broken because they're not like producing any power because the coal. I have 4 coal factories. They're kind of doing everything. Here we have our iron ingots. Goes into here. Oh my gosh, that's so messy. It's just like a bowl of spaghetti. Okay. Anyway, they go through here. Got a little conveyor splitter that puts them into this, turns them into iron rods, turns those into screws. Also, iron plates are made with this constructor. They go into this assembler, which makes reinforced iron plates, which we need a lot of. So we've actually doubled production with more coming from back there. Let's see. Here we have it making modular frames with these iron plates because we need those to hit milestones. We have enough of those, so we don't need to worry about that. This takes a lot of grinding to do. Over here we have steel ingots being made with coal and iron ore. Turns it into steel ingots, not iron ingots. It gets put into this constructor, which makes the steel pipes, which we need 100 of. So we'll get that. So this isn't an assembler. This is a foundry. And we need a lot of concrete when we're playing, so. We have our limestone coming through here. Turns into concrete. The storage container is also full. Copper ingots being turned into copper wire, which gets turned into cable. Another copper thing is, I don't know where it is, but we have it making, oh, here it is, copper sheets. We kind of just have some wire in here because this used to be a wire thing, but it's fine. And right now, we have just unlocked advanced steel production. New building, new parts. Ooh. Production. Ooh, miner Mark II. I'm skipping that. We need. Probably should stop skipping those. I've only skipped like 2 of them. One being on accident. So we need. With an assembler, we need to take 6 concrete, 3 of whatever the heck that is. That is a new thing I have unlocked. Where was that? Basic steel production. Steel beam. Right. So, anyway, back to the factory tour. Everything runs, you know. Oh. I'm standing on top of a smelter. That is not the best thing to do. You have things being merged over here, things being split up over here, you know, everything. For this video, I have turned on passive aggressiveness for any hostile creatures, like the fluffy-tailed hog, which sounds cute until you meet it, because yeah. Where did the thing go? I got a lot of these guys around my base. Oh, here we go. He's kind of in the cliff. Oh, yeah, we got the massive flying manta ray that just kind of circles. This isn't the best example. Oh, but here you can see the space elevator. Yeah. Let's find a different one. Oh, space giraffe tick penguin whale thing. Ooh, there's one over here through the fart gas. These guys are nice. They are not hostile. Kind of hard to see what they actually look like because it's nighttime, but they're very nice. Yeah, like claws. Yeah, they're pretty nice. And except that yellow power slug up there. I would get it, but there's a bunch of fart gas in my way. So, and that stuff is not ideal. We also have these guys. Kind of like a flower mouth. I kind of just like open it to the sky. What other mobs are there? There is the I don't know what it's called. I've seen it, and it just like runs away from you. Oh look, 2 fluffy-tailed hogs. Good thing that I have passive aggressiveness on. If I did not, these guys would be like, I don't even know what they'd be doing. Just ramming their heads into me. Got some quartz right here. So we actually have to kill these guys. Where'd the other one go? There it is. Get over here. Hey. Give me those. Give me your remains. Oh, let's ignore that message. I'm sure it doesn't mean anything. Like, come on. Only been playing for 22 hours straight. Real quick, I want to see if I can make that weapon I unlocked, the Xenobasher, I think it was called. Equipment workshop. Yeah, Xenobasher. What is this? Oh, it needs 2 of these? Easy. I need more wire. You need a lot of wire in this game. So, let's just put the storage container for this wire to go into. How much wire do I have? Still 360. Alright. I guess we won't be getting Xenobasher on this video, but yeah. That's the factory and a bit of other stuff that I probably missed.